This is a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a remote start feature, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, tinted glass, a stability control system, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 46,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Joe Cooper Ford Yukon is located at 1780 Garth Brooks Boulevard in Yukon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you will return for future visits.